Today I am here with a tweeter. Yes, I am. These are like 7-pound tweeters. They are from, I'm thinking, the 90s, early 90s, or middle 90s. They are made by the company Crunch. The Crunch. We all remember the Crunch. Look at these fucking things. They are mammoth. Big old slug. Super fucking heavy. That's solid steel. That's the pole piece. But anyways, these are amazing. They're 100 watt. Ha ha. Mid-range. They are CRM80D, the Crunch, made in USA. These things are just fucking ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. There's threaded holes on them. 4 threaded holes. And a big old sluggy slug. I'm holding one right now, and holy fuck. They're the size of my hand for one. They are awesome. It's solid. That must be die-cast metal. Aluminum. I mean, holy shit. This is when they made shit, guys. This is when they made good shit. Crunch put these out. You put these in, you really honestly don't need nothing else. I mean, anyways, I scored them for dirt cheap. Looks like they're supposed to have crossovers. There's the crossover, 3.3. Hold on, let me wipe this off.
Let me know. I have no idea what could be holding her attention like that, except for her grandma.
3.3K, 250 volt, MEACH. Looks like they might have been put on there. They might be on there from the factory. Fuck, I don't know. The solder job looks like they were on there from the factory. But yeah, I wanted to make a video of these bitches. I hooked one up, and I mean, they just deafen you. I actually ran this 600 watt amp. Couldn't even do it full blast into those, and I mean, holy balls. They're just too fucking loud for me. But you don't have to turn them up that loud. So, I think I'm going to do away with the PA horn and run these now. It's supposed to be a mid-range, so, slash tweeter, so. Alright, man, I'm going to let you guys go, and just remember, keep basing, and keep finding their old, rare stuff made in the 90s, because this shit is amazing. Alright, guys, I'm out. Thanks for watching.